Right, I'm going to show you how you can embed a document in your blog post as the example here. Okay, you can see that the document appears here rather than a link. It's much easier for your visitors then to see your work. So for example, it could be an essay that you've done, it could be a story that you've written, whatever. Okay, so we start by going to new post, or if you've already got a post, just find it and edit it. Okay, we'll call this one tester. So you've written a bit of your reflection and now you want to put your video here. So first go to edit HTML, which is the code that the page is written in. You don't need to worry about what that means. Underneath your reflection, okay, just put the cursor so that you're ready to go. Then go to Google Docs. Okay, find the document that you want to embed, so we'll use tester as an example. Okay, and there's my great story. Click on share. In fact, forget that. There's a little arrow pointing down beside the share button, so click on that and go to publish to the web. Select that. Automatically republish when changes are made, so if you update the document it will appear differently in your blog, so you want that, and then just start publishing. Okay, and there's the embed code. So you simply take that, copy it, just make sure that it's definitely copied. Okay, go back to your blog post and paste in the code. Okay, if you go back to compose, you can see that it has now appeared there. Okay, now unfortunately this is a very small box, so we want it to be wider than that. We go back to our HTML and we look at the code that we pasted. Alright, so after iframe we just put a space and type width equals open quotation marks 600 close quotation marks, space height HEIGHT equals open quotation marks 800 close quotation marks, and that's all we need to do. Let's go back again, have a look, and we can see that there's much more space now, so our viewers, if they just move the bar across, will be able to read most of it anyway. Okay, so once you've done that, you remember to put your labels. So show all, this was my story, so we'll call it creative writing. We can preview the post just to make sure it's okay. Okay, let's have a look. That's okay. Now, sorry, you can see that it's still not perfect, okay, because your visitor is going to have to scroll across to see the whole line. So you can mess about with the 600 width to try and get that a bit better, but if you do it too wide it's going to take over your bar here, so you don't really want it too wide. Alright, so back to Blogger, publish post. Internet's a bit slow. Okay, while we're waiting for that to publish, we'll just pop back to the tester document. Okay, we'll just close that and have a look at the page size. So page setup, it's actually set up to letter. It's better if you're making a document to make sure it's on A4. If it's on A4, then it's likely to fit inside that box on Blogger. So just save now. Let's go back to Raziq's Learning Portfolio. Let's view the post. Okay, and there it is. Okay.